Hello everyone. In this lecture we will learn how to assign or create a different type of supports like fixed support, roller support and pin support. In STAAD.Pro software we will assign all three types of different supports. Go to support, go to create. First one is a fixed support. Click on the fixed button over here. Add this. Again go to create. Pin support. Add this one. Then go to create fixed bud to create a roller support. In roller support, we need to release all the forces. Do not release the Fy, release Fx, Fz, Mx, My, Mz. Add this. First one, this S2 is a fixed support, S3 pin support, S4 roller support. Select this. I'm using method as use cursor to assign. Assign that support in the first node. Select the second one. Assign this. Select the third one. Assign this. Like that, you can create different type of support and assign it over different nodes. Thanks for watching this.